Hey.
Oh, you're recording.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
I finally got my Diablo Sport tune. It was on back order for a while. I got the Trinity 2. I got their modified PCM.
Yeah,
I found
unlocked.
Yeah. I found it more simple to do it that way, just in case you ever want to put your car back to stock.
Now, can you explain to the people what the PCM does?
So, in order to tune this car, you need to have an unlocked PCM.
What is a PCM?
It's a power control module.
Powertrain control module.
Powertrain
Yes,
control
sir.
module. But yeah, it needs to be unlocked. So, in order to tune the car, and you can send yours out to Diablo Sport, and I'm sure there's more other people that do it, but it costs like $250, and you won't have your original PCM anymore. So it's always better to get just a brand new one from whoever you're gonna get tuned by, and then that way you can just swap them in and out if you ever need to.
All right, so we're doing the unboxing.
Yeah, the intake, the filters right here.
Yeah, the air box.
Yeah. Does it have a JLT thing on here? It should, right?
Yes, it does. JLT Brothers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be a pretty straightforward install for the most part.
Yeah, this
intake is
super
fine.
easy.
The PCM is pretty easy too.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Any Joe Schmo could do this. You know Joe, right?
I don't know.
Joe Mama.
That's
right. Twice, dog.
Twice?
I've gotten you twice with that.
Get out of here.
Who said that? Joe? Joe Mama? All right, man. Let me move the sponsor out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay, there's 3 8mm bolts you got to take out of the airbox. We're going to put that right there so we don't lose them. We're going to take this 10 off. It goes there. And it just pops up like this. See?
Fuck, fool.
Damn.
You broke it.
Fuck no. Look
Where'd it come off of?
Right here.
Damn, doggy.
Damn.
It probably broke when you threw it at me.
Ready, catch. Maybe. I'll put
My
that
freaking strong ass
All right.
forearm.
After you
that thing.
take the top piece off, you're just gonna pull this up. Show the people, dog.
That's it?
That's it.
Well,
That's
damn,
it,
that's
dog.
easier than I thought.
Now we're gonna grab the new one. Is there another piece in here?
There's something at the bottom.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sticker?
Oh, you got a carb sticker?
Oh yeah, it's carb legal.
All right.
So this has to get in there.
I don't know
with
what the
a
hell
little
all
bit
this
of
is, dude. You just gotta love tap this in. It's super
Yeah.
easy to put in. You're gonna take the 10mm, put it back in there, so it holds it in place. All right.
Yeah.
After this is in, you're gonna take the
this one.
mass airflow sensor, and you're gonna take that PCV valve. All right, now you're gonna take the mass airflow sensor out.
How do I do that?
Twist it and pull.
Twist it and pull.
Yes, sir. Make sure you don't break that.
I'm trying.
Dude, you don't want the people to see?
I got it.
Look, the people didn't see, man.
I don't care. There we go. It's basically like that, man.
Perfect fitment, dog. Hi.
Nothing. Oil change. We're doing an oil change.
What is that?
An oil change. I'm telling you. Look. Oil change.
Oh,
Dude, that thing is huge.
Not as big as mine, though. That's what she said. Or he said.
You got both ways, I guess.
That's what she said.
Shut up.
I'm on a fire today, dog.
It's done. We just need to do this part right here. Get this thing tightened up on here.
All right, spank it, dog.
I don't know how the fuck.
Just squeeze it.
You squeeze
Idiot,
it?
you fool.
Intake is in. Now we're gonna move over to the takeoff and swap out the PCMs. I know for a fact we need to
disconnect the battery.
the negative cable on the battery. Get out the way. These 3 push tabs come off. I guess you can take this off too. Then this gets lifted up and then you can access the PCM through there.
Just grab your flathead screwdriver and pry that baby up like a man. Move your big.
Oh shit, dude. That's how you break them.
Fuck it, I'll break this. I don't care.
This guy.
Fucking Christmas tree's all fucked up now. Guess Martine was hitting it. And now it's gone forever.
What the fuck? Oh, you got it?
Of course.
How does it come out?
Son of a boy. B.
Oh, there's another one, dude.
I told you there was 2, dude.
Oh, I knew it. I heard you do it.
Voila.
We're gonna get the new one.
I think that's a new one.
I don't know, it's new.
You need my help?
No. Maybe. I don't know how you did this.
Don't be a mechanic, kids. You can do whatever you want. Don't be a mechanic. Work on your cars on the weekend or something. Be a chef.
Hey, did you already do the bottom one?
Yes, sir.
The Christmas trees go back in. Tidy this thing up. And pray to the gods
That it turns
we
on.
did it right.
There it is, dog.
Infamous.
Hey, if you haven't watched our first video, go watch this video when Martine stripped this.
What the fuck?
Sorry. Alright, so we got the PCM in. We got the intake in.
Oh shit. Damn, I was wondering if they gave me a sticker. I would have put it on the PCM. I guess I'll do that later. Bro, I hope nothing was in there. Oh, this is for the charging thing, huh?
Or no, it's when you want to update your device.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Did you update your device?
We'll find out.
Dude, you're supposed to update it, dog.
It should come updated.
No.
I've never had to deal with that stuff.
I told you about it.
I know you did, but it was late.
This guy doesn't mean anything. That means you had more time to update it.
I just got off work. I was all tired.
And now we wait.
An error has occurred. It's broke. We think we figured out the problem because now we're getting actual information about the PCM.
Yeah, baby. Okay, so I think what we plugged in down here is like a bypass for the PCM.
For the Diablo Sport.
For the Diablo Sport.
Now we're actually getting our 91 octane.
Yeah, riding tune. Dude, I thought we were going to have to fucking take everything apart. I was going to leave you. I was like, fuck this shit, dude.
Because it started saying it wanted the stock file from the PCM, but since we have the modified PCM, I think technically that is what I wanted to read. But yeah, that was our problem that we ran into. Here, let's fucking close the doors.
So now we wait.
Turn ignition off.
Turn ignition off.
Turn ignition on or put into run mode. Turn ignition off.
Turn it off.
Okay, now it's doing something else.
Oh, I thought it said PCM lost tune.
Me too.
I was like, fuck, dude.
Last tune. So I think now, after this is done, we should be able to start it. Go get the startup, dude. Go in the back.
What if it turns off?
Then it turns off.
Start it up, Chauncey. Nice. We thought we'd just let you guys know that
It was a failed attempt in the
failed
tuning
attempt.
part.
So
It would start up before and then die off. And then we'd crank it and it'd do the same again and turn off. But now it won't start. Now it won't crank. So we gotta figure out the problem.
dude, we're fucked.
Yeah.
For right now.
Right now we're not sure what the problem is.
It's not a big deal. I mean, it's pretty fixable. It happened to me.
Yeah.
And my car was way easier. So buy a Mustang, kids.
Yeah. Sorry to disappoint you fellas.
And ladies.
Ladies and gals.
And gals.
Alright, we'll see you guys later. Hopefully we get this whole situation worked out. But until then, we'll get back to you guys. Peace out.